Okay, guys. All of a sudden, dogs is raising hell. But I'm going to show y'all my airboat ceiling fan. It's basically an airplane prop. That's no good for the airboats anymore. It's just getting warm here by the old fire, okay? Anyhow, trying to get some good footage before I get fired up and hurt somebody. Looking at my little bit of airbrush. Okay. Ooh, check out the car in the background. Got Marilyn on drugs. That's here's Johnny. Oh, Chucky done been sunburnt a couple times. Okay. Anyway, we're back on the airboat ceiling fan. Get sidetracked. Looking for my old lady. She's around here somewhere. You never know where she's at. We're gonna peek around the corner.
And it was gone. And then they moved. And then Marlene was over there, and she said it came back. And then she dropped it up there at what's his name, Bob? Oh, yeah. So, this little dog was running around, and I freaked out. So I spent 3 days, getting him to catch it. To find out it was her dog.
Marlene came and we went off with I guess about a month ago, I took the dog with him. And that dog, he gave her a shit. He aggravated the shit out of her, sits there, and then finally she puts out it all the time. But that little dog right there acts like Marlene.
How you doing, Terry?
Hey, they were like best friends.
How you doing, Terry?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm making a video. I'm just getting y'all on it. I'm in here to make a little documentary, and I figured I'd check out my neighbors.
Yeah, I'm fixing to get my phone charged up.
Now, don't you put that on the internet again.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't put her ass on there anyway. What the hell? Okay. Now we're back on here about the ceiling thing. I got my stuff adjusted. Basically we got us a treadmill 12-volt motor wired. It's two. Yeah, we're gonna get up here where we can operate. Okay, we're looking at it. There's a 12-volt motor. And I gotta run my wires and stuff. And anyhow, drop my head down. And we're gonna spin it around. See, we're clearing everything. Okay, we're clearing the light right there. Shoot, bull, barely. Okay, that's gonna look good. Okay, well, we'll get you an update here in a little bit. We get some power run to it. And as long as it don't hurt nobody, do another film. If it hurts somebody, I'm gonna tear it down, act like I never done it. Later.